All right, for this build, we're working on a Eduard Junkers JU 52/3M 1/144 scale, and we've got some priming done on some pieces, fuselage, part of the cockpit over there on the left, and I haven't done the other pieces yet. There's the rudder, hadn't done it yet, and some other pieces to go to the cockpit. So we'll have to get this all worked out, and then we'll go from here and continue. All right, here's some more of the pieces primed. Got those pieces primed. Just bought the primer yesterday at the hobby shop. Got the other pieces primed, fuselage, some of the cockpit pieces, the rudder. Here is the edge pieces, which I'm not sure if I'll be able to do or not. I don't know if I have steady enough hands or not. It's way tinier than it looks in the video, way tinier. Anyway, we might give it a shot. Don't know if it'll work out or not, but we'll try. I tell you what, these etched pieces are going to take me about 2 minutes to be over, especially since they're never going to be seen. These things are so freaking tiny. Yeah, I know people use them all the time, but I'm going to try, but it's not looking good. Well, the fuselage is drying from being put together. Got the clear pieces in here. It's drying, got it clamped till it dries. Sorry for the fast scrolling. Got some of the other pieces painted. Top, there's the etch pieces. Believe it or not, I used a few pieces. I had to repaint some of the white pieces. There's the rudder. There's the bottom of the fuselage. Not fuselage, the wing. Well, I need to put a second coat of white on the pieces. The only thing that's glued is the fuselage. Here we are, getting towards the end. Those front skis were a pain in the arse, but I'm glad I put them on the like float planes. Well, actually, this would be a winter plane. This is a ski plane, not a float plane. My bad. Ski plane once again. I got to put the clear cockpit cover on it, put some decals on it, and then we should be done. Hopefully. It's taking longer than I thought, but my kits always do. Well, here it is completed. The Junkers JU 52/53M, and it's the ski version that I built. If I said float version anywhere else, it's not perfect, but I'm getting a little better each time I do it. Decals were a pain because I would imagine this kit's very old, and there's not that many, but they just didn't want to slide off for the longest time. Doesn't look bad. 1/44 is tiny, man. 1/144 is tiny, that's for sure. I have to do my own spinning. took a while longer than I thought it was going to, but it turned out pretty good. I'm happy. It's not perfect, but none of my models ever are. Anyway, enjoy.